All right, 4.5, converting mixed numbers and improper fractions. Can we convert between mixed and improper?
Yes.
All right, fraction. We know fractions are division problems. We also know they are what? A whole number is bigger than what number?
0.
And a whole number does not have any what?
Extra parts.
A mixed number actually has extra parts. What's the extra part on a mixed number?
Fraction.
And improper fractions, what? Someone raise your hand on this one. Be loud. What is an improper fraction? Really loud, Jair. Really loud.
Fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
So there's an example right there. Our 5 is bigger than our 2, therefore it's an improper fraction. We good?
Yes.
Cool vocab. All right, converting from a mixed to an improper. So we started with 2 1/2, yes?
Yes.
And we took the whole number, we multiplied it by the,
Denominator.
and then we took the denominator and we added it to the,
Numerator.
and that gave us the numerator of our improper, yes?
Yes.
I should be up here. The denominator of our fraction in the mixed number is going to be the same as the denominator on the improper, yes?
Yes.
How many pizza are whole pizzas do you see down here? How many whole pizzas?
2.
How many half pizzas do you see?
1.
So that's our 2 1/2, yes?
Yes.
But we know that 2 1/2 is the same as 5 halves, yes?
Yes.
How many halves of pizza do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and
5.
does that make sense?
Yes.
So we know an improper and a mixed and the picture, they all go together, yes?
Yes.
Sweet. More examples down here for 6, 7, 8. Our last thing was converting from an improper to a mixed. You guys know, again, a fraction is a,
Division problem.
whoever's tapping, stop. So we know a fraction is a division problem. So do we have a fraction here?
Yes.
It's improper though, yeah?
Yes.
So we can convert that to a mixed number. What number always goes inside the division box? The numerator or the denominator?
Denominator.
Say again.
Numerator.
The numerator goes inside the division box and the denominator goes on the outside, yes?
Yes.
If you have a 2-digit divisor like 47, can you use a calculator?
Yes.
Questions, comments?